Guide to Building a Home Gym on a Budget. Welcome to my channel. Building a home gym on a budget is an empowering journey towards fitness without breaking the bank. This guide explores savvy strategies, from selecting essential equipment to finding cost-effective flooring and exploring online resources. Discover inventive ways to optimize space, leverage second-hand finds, and incorporate DIY solutions. Transform your home into a budget-friendly fitness haven, proving that achieving health goals can be both effective and economically sound. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Long-term investments. In building a budget-friendly home gym, consider long-term investments as key elements for lasting fitness success. While initial costs may be higher, durable, quality equipment pays off over time, saving you from frequent replacements. Investing in sturdy dumbbells, a reliable mat, or a solid pull-up bar ensures enduring functionality. Prioritizing longevity in your choices, even if it means a gradual build-up, contributes to a sustainable and effective home gym. These thoughtful investments not only enhance your workout experience but also prevent ongoing expenses, making them a strategic approach for creating a lasting and budget-conscious fitness space. Number 9. Discount stores. Maximize your home gym budget by exploring discount stores for fitness essentials. These stores often offer affordable options for gym accessories like mats, resistance bands, stability balls, and more. While prices are budget-friendly, quality can still be found, allowing you to assemble a cost-effective and functional workout space. Hunt for discounted dumbbells, kettlebells, or storage solutions to stretch your budget further. By navigating the aisles of discount stores, you can discover hidden gems for your home gym, creating an economical yet efficient workout environment without compromising on the quality of your fitness equipment. Number 8. Online resources. Leverage the power of online resources to build an affordable home gym. Explore a multitude of free or low-cost workout platforms and fitness apps offering guided routines for various fitness levels. From YouTube channels with expert-led workouts to dedicated fitness apps, these digital tools eliminate the need for expensive gym memberships. Join virtual communities for motivation and share cost-effective home workout ideas. Online resources provide a wealth of budget-friendly exercise options, making it convenient to personalize your fitness journey without breaking the bank. Harness the accessibility and affordability of these platforms to curate a tailored and cost-effective home workout experience. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, these online resources provide a wealth of budget-friendly exercise options, making it convenient to personalize your fitness journey without breaking the bank. Embrace the accessibility and affordability of these platforms to curate a tailored and cost-effective home workout experience. Number 7. Budget-friendly flooring. Create a comfortable and cost-effective workout space by opting for budget-friendly flooring solutions when building your home gym. Interlocking foam tiles, available at affordable prices, offer excellent cushioning and protection for your floor during intense exercises. These easy-to-install tiles provide a non-slip surface, making them ideal for various workout routines. Additionally, their versatility allows you to customize the gym floor area based on your equipment layout. By choosing economical flooring options, you not only enhance your workout experience, but also protect your floors without compromising your budget, ensuring a practical and pocket-friendly foundation for your home gym. Number 6. Bodyweight exercises. Building a budget-friendly home gym can be remarkably effective with the incorporation of bodyweight exercises. These require no additional equipment, making them the epitome of cost-effective fitness. Engage in push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks to target various muscle groups and enhance strength and endurance. Opt for creative variations to keep workouts challenging. Bodyweight exercises not only save on equipment costs, but also offer the flexibility of working out anytime, anywhere. They form the foundation of a wallet-friendly home fitness routine, proving that effective workouts need not be expensive, aligning perfectly with your budget-conscious home gym aspirations. Number 5. Multifunctional Gear. Elevate your budget-friendly home gym by integrating multifunctional gear that maximizes versatility without straining your wallet. Opt for equipment like a pull-up bar that not only supports upper body workouts, but also serves as a platform for various bodyweight exercises. Such multifunctional gear offers diverse exercise options, enabling a full-body workout without the need for multiple, costly pieces of equipment. Compact, affordable, and adaptable. These items prove that building an effective home gym doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. Embrace multifunctional gear to optimize your workout space while keeping your fitness investment within a budget-friendly range. These space-saving gems not only enhance your exercise variety, but also allow for a full-body workout, making them invaluable assets to a budget-friendly home gym that prioritizes both efficiency and economy. Number 4. Secondhand finds. Transform your home gym on a budget by exploring secondhand finds. Check local marketplaces or thrift stores for quality, pre-owned gym equipment at significantly reduced prices. From dumbbells to cardio machines, these finds can be hidden gems for your fitness space. Ensure items are in good condition and functional, saving you money without compromising on quality. Secondhand purchases not only contribute to sustainability, but also unlock a cost-effective path to a well-equipped home gym. Embrace the treasure hunt and turn secondhand finds into valuable additions, making your budget-friendly fitness haven both eco-conscious and economically sound. Number 3. DIY equipment. Get creative with household items to craft inexpensive alternatives for traditional gear. Use water bottles as weights, a sturdy chair for step-ups, or resistance bands made from old tights. Online tutorials offer ideas for crafting your own stability ball or medicine ball. This innovative approach not only keeps costs low, but also adds a personalized touch to your workout space. DIY equipment makes fitness accessible to all, proving that ingenuity can turn everyday items into effective tools for building strength and achieving your health goals without breaking the bank. Number 2. Space optimization. Maximize your budget-friendly home gym by optimizing the available space intelligently. Prioritize versatile and compact equipment, such as resistance bands, dumbbells, and a stability ball that won't overwhelm limited areas. Consider foldable or portable options that can be easily stored when not in use, preserving valuable space. Explore vertical storage solutions for weights and accessories, keeping the floor clear for various exercises. A thoughtfully organized space enhances functionality without compromising your budget. By strategically arranging equipment and utilizing storage solutions, you can create an efficient, clutter-free home gym that maximizes your workout potential within the confines of your available space and financial constraints. Number 1. Evaluate essentials. Craft a budget-friendly home gym by strategically evaluating essential equipment aligned with your fitness goals. Begin with versatile essentials like resistance bands, a stability ball, and adjustable dumbbells that offer a wide range of exercises without hefty price tags. Prioritize items that cater to your preferred workout style, ensuring a well-rounded routine. Choose multi-use equipment like kettlebells for efficient space utilization. By carefully selecting fundamental pieces based on necessity and functionality, you create a cost-effective foundation for your home gym. This thoughtful evaluation ensures that every investment contributes to a purposeful and impactful workout space without unnecessary financial strain. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.